welcome to another episode of the BMW R100. In today's episode, you may have seen on a couple of episodes ago that we had a bit of a leak coming out of the right cylinder when the engine was running. Now that leak was coming from the cylinder head area, that seal there, between, well, where the end of the piston meets that cylinder to the cylinder head. Now there is a seal under that, and I don't think it's much of an oil leak. It's honestly, I think it's one of the channels that leads the oil up to the rockers, and obviously you've got push rods in there and everything like that. I think it's one of those seals that's just kind of come a bit loose, possibly perished or something. Heck, it's old. Best thing we could do is go in there, replace those seals. I have a new gasket set here, and this is the seal that goes in between the cylinder head and the cylinder itself. So that is what we'll be changing. We'll do that on both sides, change the gaskets also on the rocket covers, and then that's job done. Simple enough, let's do it.
Whether it's true, all the things you said you couldn't do, not in
that is done. So if you like what you see, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Next week what we'll be doing is dismantling the bike, ready for the frame to be powder coated and all these other bits to go off. And then the exciting bit then is building the bike back up. So like I said, this is going to be a quick flip, a matter of a few months, couple of months, and then that'll be done. Out of the garage, job done, gorgeous bike. So until next week, I will see you then.